We're out here on a beautiful sand flat, really calm this morning. Incoming tide, I think it's about another hour, so I'm gonna catch some of that incoming tide and we will see if we can get anything. There it is. What do we got? Ooh, trout? Oh yeah, nice trout, guys. Look at him. Oh yes, beautiful trout. Oh, nice. Oh, come on. Come on, dude, come on. Oh yes, he's gorgeous, guys. Nice trout. Check that trout out. Isn't he beautiful? Paddle tail bouncing off the bottom. Wow. Man, you gotta love their colors. How nice is that?